Hey everybody, Jeff here at East Texas ADV. Hey, I'm pretty excited to bring you today's video. What might it be? Well, it's another product showcase. And this time it's going to be the Sandstrom 5.06 from Enduristan. What does the 5.06 mean? That means that this bag is a 6-liter capacity tank bag. Big enough to store everything you need, but small enough not to get in the way when you're moving around on your bike. Let's go over a couple of the key features of this thing because it is loaded and there is no way I can cover everything about this tank bag without going into a 30-minute long video. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet and go over the highlights that I have noticed about it. One, it's got a waterproof construction, waterproof zippers. It's got a removable liner for ease of use when you need to clean up the bag. We'll go into that a little bit later when we open it up. It has 2 pass-throughs for charging whatever you might need. One in the front, one in the rear right here. It has a rubberized bottom that will form to the shape of your tank, along with these easy-to-use strap system that actually incorporate rock straps down here, if you can see this. So that means your bag is gonna stay where you want it. Another really cool feature that sets this bag apart from other bags is the unique attachment pads that are placed throughout the tank bag, offering multiple configurations for pretty much any adventure you might come across, utilizing many different Enduristan products from additional bags to even their mat pouch. Another cool feature that you might notice is this Velcro handle right here. This Velcro handle can be removable, it is adjustable, and what's cool is you stop, whoop, look at that. Place for your gloves to go. How cool is that? I mean, that's thinking outside the box. Those unique attachment pads that I mentioned earlier in the video are on the top and the rear of the bag. Okay, let's go ahead and take a peek inside the bag. So when you unzip it, you notice it opens to the side. It doesn't open to the front, so you don't have to hold the lid when you're getting in and out of the bag. Pretty cool. All right, it has an A5 document pouch. They offer this pouch in several versions. Excuse me. They also have a mat pouch that has a clear window in it that can be attached just like this one. Boom, to the top of your tank bag, allowing ease of access if you need it, as well as being able to look down and see what you need to on the fly. It has another divider pouch inside of it that has a transparent window along with a zipper. This allows you to adjust the compartments inside to keep your things nice and organized. It has another small pouch inside of it that has a waterproof zipper as well as a transparent window. Carrying strap for when you want to carry it and it's not on the bike. Why does this have a waterproof zipper? Well, I'm glad you asked. Now you have an additional storage point on the bike that's easy to get to without having to open the bag, also freeing up additional space inside the bag. You have a carabiner loop with a carabiner on it, great for securing your house keys, truck keys, whatever. They call these patches. So this is what they call their small organizer patch. I stored various things, secured various things with this. You also have what they call their drawstring patch. This could be used for many different things, sports drinks, gloves, whatever you want. Another little nice feature, but it is fully adjustable as well. All in all, oh, zipper loop, don't forget that. And that's about it. So, here it is, the Enduristan Sandstrom tank bag. Again, 6 liters of storage. Check out the link in the description below and you will save 10% off everything. Yes, everything from their webpage. No special code needed, but you have to follow that link in the description to get your 10% off. Anyway, video's gone a little over what I wanted it to. With that said, I just want to say thank you for watching the video to the end. Give me that like, give me that thumbs up. If you're feeling generous, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. And as always, life's an adventure. Live it like one.